Alright, so I just used the broom to get off all the snow, well, most of the snow on top of the greenhouse. If you're new to the channel, I made this greenhouse out of wood pallets. I would say I made it right before Thanksgiving, and now it's starting to fall apart. I have kale in there, celery, and spinach. I used to have broccoli in here, but I took it out. Check out the broccoli though. It's starting to fall apart. Next year when I make one, I'm gonna do it way better, but if you could see, it's like tilted. Not sure if you guys can see. Either way, I took off all the snow. Tomorrow's gonna be cold, so I'll probably come here and see if I could straighten it out and cover up the plants inside. It's getting dark, as you can see, so I'm not even gonna bother like opening it up. Look how frozen this stuff is. Damn, look at this. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, it's pretty frozen. So I'm gonna use this to try to take that shit off. That shit's solid ice though. Check it out. Just grab it with my hands. Right, let's see if I can get the rest. I want to see if I can save this water, so I'll pour it right there. Doesn't make sense to just waste it. Check it out. It's so like gooey and shit. Not gooey, but it's definitely dirty. But whatever. It's good for the plants. Doesn't make sense to just throw it away. It's a lot of water. Dude, so much water filled up the bucket. Can you guys see? Pretty wild. Yeah, what I'm doing right now, I want to be doing in the middle of the woods. With a log cabin, away from society. Alright, that's almost all the water. Alright, look how much water I got. Damn, it's overflowing. That's not cool. It's gonna freeze up tonight. A little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see.